Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on outdoor gear with Dick's Sporting Goods, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Dick's Sporting Goods website or your nearest store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with their range of outdoor gear. Look for seasonal sales or promotions that can significantly reduce prices. Sign up for the Dick's Sporting Goods email newsletter. This will keep you informed about exclusive deals and special offers. Join the Scorecard loyalty program if you haven't already. As a member, you can earn points on every purchase. These points can later be redeemed for discounts on future outdoor gear. Check for clearance sections in-store or online. These areas often contain deeply discounted items that are still in great condition. Make sure to compare prices before making a purchase. Use price comparison websites or apps to find the best deals available. Consider buying used gear from local listings or thrift stores. This can be a cost-effective way to get high-quality equipment. Keep an eye on manufacturer rebates or cashback offers. Some brands provide promotional discounts for specific items. Explore financing options if you're looking to make a larger purchase. Dick's Sporting Goods may have flexible payment plans that can ease upfront costs. Visit during major sales events like Black Friday or end-of-season sales. These times often offer the biggest markdowns on outdoor gear. Follow Dick's Sporting Goods on social media for flash sales and exclusive offers. Engaging with their content may also give you access to limited-time discounts. Utilize coupon websites for additional savings. Often, you'll find promo codes that can be applied at checkout. Finally, don't hesitate to ask staff members about upcoming sales or promotions. They may have insider information that can help you save even more. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.